What's going on, everyone? So we're back on a somewhat boat renovation video today. So a lot of things have happened. So I've done a lot of work on a boat since the last video, and unfortunately none of that got recorded, sadly. But I'm going to kind of show you all what I've done since then. The boat's actually pretty much done at this point. So if you remember last, we were working on the carpet and all that. Well, all that has now been put in the boat. You see here the boxes have been carpeted at this point. Both sides here, going down both sides, all that has been carpeted. The baseboard is now in here, it's been carpeted. This front box has been carpeted, and then of course the front deck is all that has been done at this point. The baseboard has been secured in with the L brackets, as you can see there and there. The front deck, as I mentioned in an earlier episode, was done. Is going to be a giant door. We got the hinges here. I'll show you. I'll lift it up for you. So so you can see the hinges up there are keeping this like a kind of a door. I got part of the transom on the video. So I told you we had to put a whole new transom board and stuff in here. Part of this was on the video, but then the battery died, so I didn't catch all of it. But it has been done at this point. You can see the boats have all been put in. The plate for where the trolling motor hooks to has been done. The whole backside boats have all been put in, and if we put a little bit of sealant around each of those. So pretty much at this point the boat is ready to row. A couple last things we're going to be doing is on today's video, we're going to be washing the outside. We're going to be using Starbright aluminum cleaner restore on the boat, try to get this boat shining just a little bit better. And then if we got time, we're going to be putting a seat back here in the back. At some point, I have this stuff to do, I just haven't done it. I'm going to be putting carpet strips around the edges up here. I wasn't going to at first, but after a second saw it, I decided I'm going to do it just because it just kind of looks crappy without it. So going to do that at some point. I don't know when. It's probably going to be later, but I apologize for those not being on video. Basically what happened was, so on the transom board, the camera shut off and wasn't recording. We didn't realize it. On the rest of this, so I actually came out one night and I was just going to do a couple things real quick. I wasn't planning on recording, but then all of a sudden, like, a couple things turned into a lot of things, and well, I pretty much just finished it up and I didn't get any of that on video. So I do apologize for that process not being in there, but you kind of saw what that was anyways. It was just me applying heat sub and then putting the carpet down, so it wasn't really anything crazy. You didn't miss nothing. Let me put that on. So just me doing busy work basically. So but today we're gonna get this washed up and hopefully get looking a lot better. So let's get started on that. Alright everybody, so we got the trolling motor connected, and guess what? We have power. yeah. There we go. We are ready for action. That's awesome. Cool. I'm glad to see that works. So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put the seat in and just see how it works. Alright, I got it done. Camera cut off on me at some point there, so sorry about that. But it's literally just me tying these wing nuts, so don't worry about it. But got the seat in here. It swivels really nice. So it's supposed to be a 360-degree swivel, so I can swivel all the way around here. So that's pretty awesome. That is looking so good, guys. Look at that. Got the trolling motor out there, got the seat right there. Yeah, I'm telling you. This is beautiful. Like, this has really come together. I'm really excited about it too. Woohoo, yeah. Alright, so there's not a whole lot left to do. What we're gonna do real quick though. So I've bought a few items to, of course, keep in a boat as required. So of course, got a little air horn right here in case, God forbid, something happens while we're out there. Got a marine whistle again in case something happens. We got a couple things. We have, of course, our float here. This is to throw out. Again, it's all just in case something happens. But we got the float we can throw out to save someone's life. I got some paracord here, or braided cord to have. This is a manual bilge pump. As you can see, this boat's really not that big enough to me to have a whole battery powered bilge pump. But so I just got this little manual bilge pump to keep in here. And then, guys, I really cheaped out here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought a pair of Intex oars to keep in here for emergency. I know that's not ideal and you're not really supposed to do that, but it's a lot cheaper than buying some new paddles. I got some paddles in there that are just not in great shape. So, but yeah, that's just some stuff we gotta keep in the boat. It's gonna go underneath the deck here, and we'll keep that for emergencies in case we need it. But guys, that's really it, my friends. That pretty much does it for now. This boat is ready to row. It's licensed. Got the trolling motor, got the seat in here, got everything we need. We got life jackets too. Sorry, I forgot to say that. There are life jackets. We got those. They're not new. We've had those for years, but had to dig them out of storage. But yeah, the boat, it's ready to go, man. Like, I'm excited. We're going, of course, I'll put up a video once we are ready to row, when we take this thing out. So, but there it is, my friends. This boat is done. Man, what a wild journey it's been. What a wild journey. But look at it. I'm so excited. Like, I've been wanting to get like a boat like this for a while, and finally I got to pull the trigger to do it. So, but we got this thing ready to go. We are going to do a paint job on it. I have finally figured that out. Going to do a paint job on the outside, but it's going to be probably next year. So I apologize, that's going to have to wait for a little while, just because well, and I'll go ahead and say at the point of this video, I'll probably already tell y'all, but we have a baby on the way, so a lot of course, financing and everything having to come with a baby, naturally. So I'm gonna put off the painting till next year, because honestly that's not really a required thing, so I'm not too worried about that right now. So, but that's gonna do it, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the whole boat renovation series. I'll probably still bring you along. Like I said, I got a couple little things I'm gonna do still, and of course when we paint it I'll have that video, and then of course when we take it out, naturally gonna have y'all along with us. Why wouldn't we? But that's gonna do it, guys. So like I said, I really hope y'all have enjoyed the boat series. I've had a really great time actually doing this boat. It's been a whole lot of fun for me. I love like doing projects and stuff like this. It's just what I do. It's how I am. I love building stuff, fixing stuff. I'm not good at it, but I like doing it. So it's like a hobby. But so I've really enjoyed doing this boat, and I'm really excited about being able to put it to use for the future of this channel. You're going to see us a lot in this boat going forward. Treasure hunting, fishing, exploring, or just boat videos. I don't know. Drop some comments down in the comment section. What do you want to see us do with this boat? What do you want to see us video? What should we do? So let us know down in the comment section. But again, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more of our videos. Drop a thumbs up on this video if you're liking it. And then I'm gonna cut it there because I've talked enough. Till next time, guys, keep it real.